I'm still making my dinner for today. I am going to put these green peas with the smoked turkey tails. But first, let me drain the juice. I don't want this juice. It got a lot of sodium. So I'd rather use the turkey juice to give it more flavor. I'm done draining the juice. And this is what I'm going to do to cook the rest of the way. Pour it in here like this. Yes. There we go. No juice. No juice. I put it all in the sink. I rinsed it down the sink. Now I'm going to stir it up and let it cook slowly. No seasoning at all. It's going to get its own flavor from the turkey tails and its juice. Thank you for watching Bae Solo in the house, making her cut string beans with turkey smoke tails. Yes. There we go. See you later, people. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.